Hello everyone, welcome to the first part of this tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create this abstract core page design. And on the second part, we will explore how to create this auto image sliding animation and other animation I created on this design. If you like the tutorial, I request you to support the channel by liking the video, sharing it and subscribing the channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now we are inside PowerPoint. I have already prepared the color scheme. First we have to prepare those triangle shapes. Take the isosceles triangle, create it on the artboard. Take its widget to the maximum right. Rotate the shape 90 degrees and move it to the top left of the artboard. Adjust the shape according to your design. Leave a little bit of space on the right so full image will be visible over there. Now take rectangle shape and create it on the artboard as well. Make sure both of the edges are overlapping. Select both of the shapes and go to the format, merge shape and union. Now this is a single shape. Take isosceles triangle again to create the second triangle. Create it on the artboard, rotate it, and you could change the color of the shape so we can identify it. Remove outline, move it at the top and scale it so it matches the bottom edge of the artboard. Move its widgets little bit above. I want random shapes. Shrink it so both of the shapes edges are overlapping. Remove stroke color from the large shape triangle. Right click and select format background. And with the help of eyedropper, assign this lighter blue color. Now take the line tool and create a large line. Assign white color and which can be anything from 8 to 10 pixels. Now select line tool again and create a smaller line and apply a same style on this line as well. Now take rectangle shape again. Remove fill color and assign white color to the stroke. Width should be 14 pixels. It's because half side of the stroke is going outside of the artboard, which won't count. Now take the rectangle tool again. It will serve as the container for logo or any text you have for the cover slide. Remove outline and assign white color to the fill. Go to the effect and apply drop shadow. Transparency could be 88%, blur could be 20 point, and distance will be 8 to 10 point. And I am assigning a blue color to the shadow. Adjust this shape according to your liking. Now open selection pane and rename all of the elements which we created. It would assist us when we add animation on all of these pieces. I'm fast forwarding from here. It is very basic thing. If you would like to see it, you could reduce the speed of your video player. Now take the text tool. I'm adding random text from my end which I already prepared. I'm using Bebas new font family here. Font size can be anything from 48 pixel to 54, whatever you prefer. Now select text in the container and align them center. Now drag it with the control key to create a copy and assign the lorem ipsum as a paragraph text. Font size should be 16 to 18 pixel. Make text center line. For font family, I am going with Ralway font, which is a Google font. Address the text container box, so it is inside the white shape container. Select baby care heading and with the help of eyedropper, apply darker blue color. And for the care text, we can assign the red color. Select the small triangle and apply a red color as well. And for the larger triangle, I am applying a darker blue color for now. And for the paragraph text, I am applying a grayish blue color. Few sentences of the paragraph, I am applying a bold, so there is a variation on it. Change font size to 18 pixel. Just play with the elements a little bit more, so design started looking balanced. Now final step is to start adding images inside large triangle shape. We could rename it to large triangle 01. Now assign image inside it by selecting picture and fill. Go to the file and select any images whatever you like. I have already prepared the images which I am going to use on the design. Remember, we need to play with the offset value to change the placement of the images according to our liking. I am going to show you on one of the image how it will work, and same step you will have to follow for other images as well. Keep in mind, don't make the image look distorted. Don't go too far. Every image has different aspect ratio, so every time the value is going to be different. I think I am happy with the placement of the image. Now select large triangle and copy it 3 more times. Select all of them and align top and left edges. Rename them. Now assign different images, same way how I shown you on the first triangle shape. I'm fast forwarding from here. Now we are done with the design. If you have any query, you could ask me on comment box. If you learned something, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for your time.